Okay, so I removed my painter's tape from both of these sheets and I removed them from the cover. So now we can try a different choice of adhering them to our cover, and that is to put these two sheets to kiss and put them placed in the middle of the spine. So let's go ahead and try that. And now I'm going to put tape on the edge of one and on the edge of the front of the other. And I'm going to place it along the edges, trying to put the folds down where the spine is. There we go. So there's a little bit of a triangular gap there. So when we open it, here's the spine. We're going to open it. There we go. There's the other side. Notice too how there's some space here. And so when I actually flip it, I can't exactly put it flush without it buckling at the bottom. But we have no marker overlay here on the side. It actually fits inside this booklet. This new spine allows for room for those 2 pages to fit nicely. And yeah, we can flip through it pretty easily. There's no bleed through, and it perfectly encapsulates this little trip to Venice. Thank you guys for joining and for watching this exploration of how to make a travel journal.